Hello everybody, sisters from different misters here. Thank you for the people who liked, commented, subscribed, and watched our videos. Today we are going to be doing
the water challenge. If you don't know what that is, it's you can see that it can chug the water the fastest. It's a full bottle of water, pretty cold.
Mine's already open.
Oh, wait. Ready?
You cheater.
Ready, set, go. I'm done.
Same fucking out.
Sorry. Well, that's it.
Excuse me.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Peace.
Yeah. Bye.